Tino, you see my message now? Tino, you see my message now? Kitty? Yes, we need summer, but I am coming home in 3 days for holiday. So you are coming back to Kenya for holiday in 3 days. So welcome home, welcome back. Welcome back home. Yes, in 3 days. Wow. Welcome home. Welcome